Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore your Bifrost wallet. If you've recently logged out or deleted your wallet for Bifrost and you'd like to get back to it again, then here is how you can do it. First things first, in order to restore your Bifrost wallet, you'll need your recovery phrases that you've previously backed up. If you've not done that yet, then there is no way you can get back to your wallet. If you've backed up your recovery phrases, simply launch Open Bifrost Wallet application and tap on I already have a wallet. Tap on I agree on the next page at the bottom and enter your recovery phrases in the correct order. After entering the words in the correct order, tap on Restore at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll need to create a new PIN code. Type it in the box. Reconfirm the PIN code by typing it again. You can also enable biometrics to unlock your wallet and sign transactions. Simply tap on Enable Biometrics if you want to do that. If not, you can tap on Skip at the bottom. And there you have successfully restored your Bifrost wallet with the help of your recovery phrases. That is how you can easily restore Bifrost wallet even if you've deleted your wallet previously. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.